those here seated around you, it is a requirement that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisles and exits clear until we arrive at the gate as Captain turns off fasten seatbelt signs. When opening the overhead lockers, please do be careful as arches may move during the flight and could fall out. Before you leave us, so please ensure you take all your personal belongings with you, checking in your seat pocket as well as the overhead lockers. We'll be disembarking through the forward and rear doors, and at this time we will be refueling the aircraft. If your mobile phone is within easy reach, you may switch it on. However, as we'll be disembarking via the tarmac, you need to switch your phone back off before you leave the aircraft. All electronic equipment must remain switched off, and smoking is not permitted on the tarmac or inside the terminal. For your own safety, once you disembark the aircraft, please follow the white markings on the tarmac, remain outside the orange markers, and follow any instructions given to you by our lovely ground staff. Well, we'd like to thank you for choosing fly with us today. It's only been a pleasure looking after each and every one of you, and on behalf of your lovely team, I'd like to wish you a warm welcome home, a pleasant stay, or a safe onward journey. Thank you, have a fantastic day, and we do hope to see you again soon when you next choose to fly with us here again at Virgin Blue. Thank you.